Let's go, everyone. Today, this is a very special unboxing. It's an unboxing of swag that only Google employees get. So, got a hold of this from a Google employee for the channel, and this is that unboxing. This employee does not know what is in the package, but again, it's swag from Google. You got to get through their difficult interview process, get hired, go through team matching to get this swag. Here we go. All right, seriously have no idea what this is. What the heck is this? I literally do not know. What is this? Okay, Cowpack belt bag. What is this? Like the Lululemon EBBs or something? What is this? Is it even engraved by Google? Okay, I guess I should change the title of this to Elevate Cowpack Belt Bag Unboxing. Travel looks good on you. Yes, it does. All right, so belt bag, gotta be hip, wear it around your chest. Let's see, what else is in here? Google swag. Huh? Oh. Elevate, okay. Okay. Let's see. What is this? Asians at YouTube Summit. Wow. All right. Asians at YouTube Summit. Some Elevate stickers. You got your belt bag. You got your, what is this? Copper straws. I'm gonna get some boba. I'm gonna guess this is some boba kit. Let's go. Wow. BBT jars. Eco-friendly glass boba jars. All right, so this is some of the swag that you would get if you're at Asians at YouTube employee. Let's see. Wow. Imagine drinking boba out of this. What the heck? Elevate boba mason jar with a hipster like bamboo. Wow, okay, that's pretty cool. All right, that's it. So swag from Google employee, random swag they give. Hope you're all doing well. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. This channel is gonna get more random as we go on. Got more collaborations coming, so please subscribe to see the new videos coming out, guys. It's gonna be some interesting ones. So yeah, hope you're all doing well. Talk to you next time. Bye.